Hey there, problem solvers. Today we're diving into a common issue that many developers face when working with the MUI Autocomplete component. Let's talk about the problem at hand. So, you're looking to disable any filtering within the autocomplete component. You specifically need the text field popper to display all available options without any kind of filtering. The twist is that the results you're fetching from a server-side search engine are already pre-filtered and contain all the options you need. How do we tackle this dilemma? Now, let's move on to the solution. The key lies in customizing the filter options function within the autocomplete component. By simply returning the options parameter as is within the filter options function, we effectively disable any filtering. This means that all the options will be displayed without any alterations or restrictions. It's a quick and straightforward fix to ensure all available options are shown to the user. And there you have it. By implementing this small tweak, you can seamlessly disable filtering within the MUI Autocomplete component, allowing your users to see all the options at their disposal without any hindrances. Alright folks, it's time to wrap up this video. If you found this solution helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment below. Remember, the only thing better than solving a problem is doing it with a touch of humor. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy coding.